the best thing in New York City.
It really? Why do you say that?
Oh, it's just incredible, man.
All right. So I have a travel hack for you guys. So let's say you are a family of 5. Stay right there. I'm gonna turn around and show you something. I'm in Long Island City, Queens. So if I turn right, see this? See that boat right there? That's a tourist boat. Circle Line is the company. So when tourists come to New York and they want to see it by water, they go on that. But I have a hack for you guys. Let's just say you're a family of 5 and you want to do some of the same. You want to see Manhattan, so you could take the New York City ferry right here. Think about it like the New York City train on water, because it's close in price to taking the MTA train compared to the Circus Line. Circle Line. So I'm in Long Island City. The next stop, like if I was to board here, would be Roosevelt Island, Astoria, and then East 90th. So family of 5, if let's say it was $3 a person, you're in for less than $20 that you're able to see the east side of the island. So my suggestion would be for you is start on the east side, 90th Street, and work your way down. Because if you start up there, work your way down to Wall Street. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna take you pretty much the east of the island, so you can see all of the big buildings and everything like that. So you'll at least get that view for under $20 for your family of 5. Or you can pay more and go with the Circle Line, and you can, not only will they take you on the east, they'll take you on the west side as well. It's coming right now in real time. Notice you can be downstairs, what looks like is air conditioned, or you can be upstairs enjoying the sun. And it's pretty quick. Ride.
Okay, amazing. It's the best thing in New York City.
It really? Why do you say that?
Oh, it's just incredible, man.
All right. So now people going on. You heard it first. It's the best thing in New York City.